In this video, I'd like to give you a very quick tour of the features that the Whole Shebang puts at your fingertips. In the previous video, I basically walked you through how the plugin can be used to fit into different environments like Facebook or on mobile devices or whatever. What I didn't mention is just how many different options you have to make each post really special. So let's get into that now. Now I've prepared a few lines of text that I'd like just to copy into a new post. So I'll go over here, copy that in, create a new shebang. In this case, I'm going to call it London is burning. And I'll just paste that into my HTML editor there. Just go ahead and publish it now. And what you'll see here is that, well, there's nothing really to see here. It's a clean slate. There's no bold headers. There's no colors. There's nothing. So let's go ahead and add some tweaks. The first thing I'd like to do is to add a background. Well, white is so 2010, so I'm just going to pop over here and pick a featured image. I took the liberty of uploading one earlier, London one, and I'll use that as my featured image. Just go ahead and update and show you the result. After saving, you'll notice that the editor now includes the background, which is nice, but we can't see our text. That's not a problem because we can change just about everything we need from right here on the screen. A little bit first about the background image. Like I mentioned earlier, you can provide, well, pretty much anything you want, any size or any quality, up to whatever your server allowed. Still, there will be the chance that the background doesn't load fast enough. So to help you out, we added the ability for you to set a background color by default. So I'll just quickly go over here and pick a nice red background. And at the same time, I'll change the background fade animation to, let's say, 10 seconds. Let's go and see what has happened here. So the page is going to load. It's going to be, well, in this case, pink with black text. The background image is going to fade in, and the result is going to be that we can no longer see our text. Well, that's no good. So let's go back and have a look at some of the other options that we can use to fix that problem. Here again, you can see that the editor is showing us the same thing we saw on the live page. So let's just pick a different font. I can pop over here to Google Fonts and pick one. Let's say Londrina Solid. I'm just gonna copy that in here. Copy it verbatim. Paste it into the field that's provided. I'll give it a different size. Now, okay, 2 EM, that's a CSS thing, but that's like 2 times the normal size. Let's pick a white background, white color, and black background with 50% opacity. Not going to worry about shadow here. Anyway, let's just have a look at what the result is. Okay, London is burning. That looks fantastic. But I'm still not seeing my H2, so I'll just pop down here. And for H2, I think I've done this before, so let's pick Cody Star, 1.8 EM. A color, let's pick a nice yellow. Let's make it a solid black background, no opacity like we had here. And let's pick a really, I don't know, pink or something. And let's see the result. And there you go. London's burning. It's actually quite time this year, but actually quite lovely this time of year. But I don't see the text that's under that. So let's just go here and just pick a text color. Who cares? Let's say green, background yellow. And have a look at what we got here. Oh, okay, the green and yellow really didn't fit, so let's get rid of the green here. Why did I pick green? Crazy. There we go. Now it's very nice. There's one last point I'd like to show you very quickly here. I need to go to the settings. There's only one thing that you need to change, and that's the URL of the whole shebang. In this case, I've got it set to shebang. Let's change it to hot stuff, and then go look at our shebangs. Let's look at one, and you'll see here now it says hot stuff London is burning. And the URL has changed to our domain plus hot stuff London is burning. But what's really cool is that the showcase is also tagged along for the ride. So if I go to hot stuff, suddenly we're showing our showcase at a completely different URL. Well, that's about it. Have fun.